Psychic abilities: teleportation, the ability to appear in a location thought of with the mind; topodization, the ability to create entities or objects with the mind. Details below. Interdimensional entities, real or invented by the summoner, will not be able to consciously become independent in other dimensions and will remain in a paralyzed state in non-existent mode but visible to the summoner, awaiting orders to become visible and active. These entities, while obeying orders, will have an intelligence level assigned by the summoner. They can also pass into the physical dimension if required by the summoner. Real living entities become consciously independent in nature but will obey any order given by the summoner. While obeying orders, these entities will have an intelligence level assigned by the summoner. Entities invented by the summoner will not be able to consciously become independent in nature and will remain in a paralyzed state in non-existent mode but visible to the summoner, awaiting orders to become visible and active. While obeying orders, these entities will have an intelligence level assigned by the summoner. Existing or invented objects by the summoner can be physical or interdimensional. Telekinesis, the ability to move objects with the mind. Astral, the ability to separate the soul from the physical body. Multilocation, the ability to control multiple replicas, giving each one independent conscious sub-memories. These are monitored by the leading summoner, assigning different tasks to the pseudo-summoners. Once completed, these tasks are telepathically transmitted to the leading summoner simultaneously. Levitation, the ability to stably suspend oneself in space. Clairvoyance, the ability to visualize all types of interdimensional entities. Telepathy, the ability to mentally transmit thoughts to a receiver. Empathy, the ability to enter the mind of an organism, perceiving its senses and thoughts. Sagalo, the ability to enter the physical body of an organism and control it while it remains vegetative. Ghost, the ability to become an invisible entity that can pass through any material object but can interact with some voluntarily. Visualization, the ability to receive information about something located far away. Interdimensionality, the ability to summon help from faithful and devoted interdimensional entities who would die for their summoner. Flight, the ability to fly at will. Philosophicality, the ability to transform any physical object into another one through thought. Subconscious, the ability to activate inner voices that provide advice, search memories, generate predictions, manage information, and analyze all activities performed or to be performed. Multi-replicas, the ability to divide oneself into multiple replicas with the same intelligence, but each with its own independent consciousness. These will share their experiences when they merge back into the original summoner. Physical sense, the ability to control any type of energy. Psychic pet, the ability to create a real or invented organism that will only be seen by the summoner or friendly or enemy psychic beings. This pet can follow the summoner anywhere, defend them, or alert them of possible threats. Placegenesis, the ability to create a resting place or a laboratory with the mind, either consciously or unconsciously, in the physical world or an interdimensional one, according to the summoner's requirements. Psychic technology, the ability to create devices that allow inventions and discoveries with the mind. Repair, the ability to reconstruct any object with the mind. Healing, the ability to heal oneself and others with the mind. Psychic shield, the ability to form a protective shield against physical, magical, and interdimensional attacks. Hypnotization, the ability to make an organism act submissively and obey the summoner's orders. Subconscious, the ability to activate inner voices that provide advice, search memories, generate predictions, manage information, and analyze all activities performed or to be performed.